How's it going? This is Richard Johnson out here at Chevy Bucyrus, the favorite bald guy everyone calls me. Now right behind me I've got a 2023 Chevy Tahoe Premiere I wanted to showcase for you guys because it is gorgeous. I'm going to flip the camera around right now and we're going to walk around the vehicle. I'm going to point out some key features. Bam! You come around front here, you've got the nice bright lights here, you got the nice chrome accent grille, Chevy's bow tie. This does have the forward sensor, so you've got the sensors up there as well. You may not be able to see it, but how about that? You can see that camera right in the center there. That is for your forward collision system. That will detect if there's a vehicle in front of you. That way if it slows down, it'll help you stop, brake, whatever. This is a wider stance vehicle. You can see on the left and right side towards the bottom, you've got Chevy's gills there that helps with airflow, reduces your drag. Come inside here, bam! You got your memory seats, you got all your door and window controls, you got Bose sound system, okay? 4-wheel drive controls, your electronic parking brake, lane keep assist, StabiliTrak, you got your park assist sensors you can turn on or off, hill descent controls, you got your auto start stop that you can turn on or off. Right here you've got your trailer brake controller. Get in the driver's side seat here, and right here you've got your heated steering wheel, you got your forward collision. That way you can set the gap that you want between the vehicle in front of you. Should they stop or slow down, you can set that. Okay? Driver information center right here, all digital. Very, very nice. You do have the electronic precision shift, which you can see right here. So not the standard shifter. You've got buttons that you can either push or flip up for reverse and drive, and then you push the buttons for neutral, park, and low. Okay? On the screen here, you've got access to anything you want. You've got a trailer light test that you can do right here. You can set up different trailer packages, so if you have different trailers, you can set up accounts for each individual trailer, program the TPMS sensors, the whole nine, right? Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, all wireless. If you come down here, you've got dual climate, okay? And you have heated seats. You can heat the back and bottom, you can heat just the back. Or you have ventilated seats. You can lock the rear climate. That way if you have, you know, younger passengers like messing with buttons, they're not gonna start changing all the settings. Come up here, bam. You can fold the seats in the back, you can pop the back hatch, and you can program garage door openers, open up the sunroof. Or sorry. I'm a goon. So that button moves this, revealing some hidden storage. So, gosh, I'm so used to the sunroof controls being up here. My bad. Bam! Second row seating. You open them up here. You got your levers right here to fold and prop up the seats. Bam! You got screens on both the back headrests. They've each got their own HDMI port, and the second row seats are heated as well. They've got the air right here, but you can lock it up front if you need to. Then they've got 2 USB-C charger ports, right? I'm gonna climb up in here, third row seating. You can see right here. They've got cup holders back here and USB-C ports. Let me get all the way back there, I'll show you. USB-C port, bam. Keep all your stuff charged. That way when you're on a trip, the kids aren't yelling that their tablets need charged, right? So you've got that, and then you've got buttons here for the passengers in the back if they need to fold those seats down to get back out. Whoa. Sorry guys. It's okay to be a little goofy. Whew. And we're going to come around the back chair. Bam, back side of the vehicle. You've got your park assist sensors along the back side. Nice Tahoe lettering. This is a heck of a vehicle, guys. MSRP on this vehicle, $74,730. Okay, got the window sticker right here behind me. This vehicle is very well equipped. It is located at Chevy Bucyrus in Bucyrus, Ohio. If you or anyone you know might be interested in this vehicle, let me know in the comment section. I will also have my contact details in the video description. So check that out. Get a hold of me if you know anyone that might want to take this beast home. Thank you so much.